So most people think that data analysis is about building dashboards or charts, but that's just the last step in the process. This video was inspired by a question from someone who wanted to understand in a very nutshell the data analytics workflow. So every analyst follow these steps that I want to share with you now. First, before you begin any data project, you need to define the problem or ask questions. All right, so what problem are you solving and why does it really matter? And then when you are done with that, you step into collect the data. So you need to collect relevant data that will help you answer the questions or solve the problem that you want to solve. That might mean connecting to or using spreadsheets or connecting to databases or even APIs. And then when you are done with your data collection, the next is to clean and prepare the data. And quite often this is the most, or will I say the toughest part, because it often takes 70 to 80% of the time. But when you are done cleaning and preparing the data, the next thing you need to do is to explore the data. Yeah, there's a concept called exploratory data analysis, EDA for short. So you need to explore the data, test your hypothesis, and then of course after that you analyze the data, right? Analyze the data, look out for trends, look out for patterns and insight. And after the analysis, the next and final step is communication. So you need to communicate your findings through dashboards, reports, or even visual storytelling, from which the business can then take action based on what the insight is saying. All right, so that's the full cycle in a nutshell, and it's just as simple as I've said it. Define the problem you want to solve, collect the data, clean and transform the data, explore the data, analyze it, communicate your insights, and you should be good to go. So if you master these steps, you'll be able to turn raw data into real business growth.